of my
and I mean, Honorable Nyonka, and
yes.
it's good he said that we are focusing on politics of 2022 to an extent that we are forgetting about the Big Four agenda.
I'll tell you, in fact, for me, I don't even want to look at the Big Four agenda. What we need to look at right now, how can you talk about the Big Four agenda when guys have stolen everything from the store? All the money that we collect as tax revenues is now going into paying debt. Debt which we have incurred because we said if we get into the big time capital investment projects within Kenya, we would then put Kenya into a position of takeoff. These projects have consumed monies which are astounding. From the SGR to the dams to Gulana Kulalu to look at the medical equipment that is being bought to medicines disappearing from KEMSA to, I mean, Kenyans are basically tired.
And it's good you're saying it with a lot of passions. Kenyans are basically tired.
Yes.
So how many politicians like you?
There are very many politicians like me. The only problem is that many of us are not ready to speak the way we should be speaking.
Is it? And of course it is because of the party loyalty.
I can tell you, yes, I can tell you that when we are in the gym in Parliament and we are only sitting, talking in hush-hush tones, members of Parliament are saying this cannot go on. Every single day. I mean, go into this newspaper. You're going to see another scandal today, ICT. How many billions? 9 billion. You look at last month, there were about 9 major areas where money had been stolen every single day in your papers.
It is good you've raised it here because you're saying that when you meet as members of Parliament,
yes.
When you meet as members of Parliament, yes. in low tones, you talk about how tired you are. So then it means that as some of these members of Parliament being paid by the people they pay their allegiance to, not to come out and speak out in terms of the matters corruption, in terms of the welfare of the country.
Yes, that is the stomach of the politics, and I mean, that is the kind of selfish politics that we are embroiled in, the toxic relationship that we have with our leaders that we were discussing with Mheshimiwa earlier on. And what I would like to tell the president is this: he should focus. He should focus. He is not up for re-election in 2022, and he needs to leave Kenyans living a better life, and that should be his sole focus. He should not be distracted from his efforts, from this hue and cry from those people who've stolen from the country. He should focus on the Big Four agenda, and most importantly, he should focus on the scourge that is corruption. Last month alone, it was reported that we lost about 121 billion in the dam scandal.
Yes.
And that it has been like that through and through for the last 6 years. Like Mheshimiwa has pointed out, it's reported that we've lost more than 650 billion. I mean, and
enough money to pay all our debt.
And it is not to 1,000 people. It is to about to less than 100 people.